In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Talabat Pro subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Talabat and then go to your account. Make sure to sign into your account. Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on your Talabat Pro subscription. Now, inside of here, you should have the option to cancel subscription. Now, I don't have one on this account, but that's why it's saying choose your plan, but you should be able to cancel it here. If it doesn't work here, what we can do is go to a player app store and then go to where it says you, and then click on user profile at the top of the page here. Then from here, click on payments and subscriptions. Now, if you click on subscriptions again, and now if you got Talabat Pro appearing here, go ahead and click on cancel under active. Now, the third way to do it is to contact Talabat Pro support. Now, what I've found, they make it very hard to contact their support by calling them or even messaging them. So if we go to a website called pissconsumer.com, so I'm going to open up this here and go to pissconsumer.com. Now, this is a great site to find hard to reach website numbers, app numbers, email addresses. Now, from here, once we're inside, we want to go ahead and do a search. So search for Talabat. Here it is here with over 1,000 reviews. Once we're on their page, we can go down here. We can see all the different reviews here too. If we scroll down and click on contacts, there will be ads. So just close out the ads. So we've got a phone number here. So we can give that phone number a call. We can send a message. We've even got customer care emails as well. So we've got customer support general info. If we keep scrolling down, we can see a bit more information. So that's a third way how to cancel your subscription.